Hello everyone, and today we're taking a look at this Beehive neon lamp. Now this is a Osglim 5 watt, made in England, 240 volt lamp. It's got a bayonet cap and there's a resistor in the base, and nicely this lamp is still functioning. I'm not sure how old this lamp is, but if I had to assume this, or guess, this would be about 60 years old, I'm gonna guess. Maybe more than that. It's not old enough to have a pip top. Now, usually the older ones, the really early ones, in like the 20s or 30s, they have an old pip on the top. This one doesn't have that. It's just the same as a regular old incandescent or whatever light bulb. It's the same. There's no pip top. It's just the common modern thing you'd see now. And also, this box contains a capacitor with a discharge resistor across it. It's 100k ohms, and the capacitor is 100 nanofarad, if I remember correctly. So here is on. And you can see that beautiful discharge. And it's called a Beehive Neon for a good reason. The spirally springy electrode, which is made of Swedish iron, looks like a beehive. Here is it from the angle. And that switch, that's direct on the mains. And this is it with the capacitor in series. You can see a massive brightness difference. So let's take a look at this thing in the dark. How amazing is that? Such a lovely effect. You don't see these anymore nowadays. It's all LED and all that junk. So there we are. An amazing shot of a neon. So yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching.